Benji learning rhymes. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester on a rainy day so gray. He stepped in a puddle that splashed him up the middle and quickly ran away. Dr. Foster tried once after to visit folks again. He carried his umbrella and boots of shiny leather, but slipped upon the lane. Dr. Foster laughed with chuckles, the wet and muddy too. He shook off all the water and smiled a little broader. The children laughed there too. Dr. Foster, kind and gentle, helped people everywhere. He gave them words of healing and always had the feeling of showing love and care. Dr. Foster loved the children